Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my Rechaad Masala recipe. Now this is an essential in every Goan home, and every home has its own little twist or variation of this recipe. The one I'm sharing with you today is my mother's recipe that I've been using forever. So let's dive straight into the ingredients. Here I have 20 red chilies. These are Kashmiri red chilies that give this masala its nice vibrant color. You can use a mix of chilies if you'd like to vary the spice levels. I've got half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, about an inch of ginger that I've just chopped up into chunks. I've got one whole pod of garlic that I've peeled, quarter of a teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, roughly about 2 to 2.5 inches of cinnamon, 5 pods of cardamom, 3 cloves, and a chunk of tamarind. This is about the size of a large walnut, like you can see here. Now you can opt to use salt and a little bit of sugar in this masala paste while you're grinding it. I like to leave that out and add it to the dish so that I have full control over the seasoning and add the sweetness according to what's needed. You're also going to need some vinegar. Your best bet is a Goa vinegar. However, I didn't have access to any, so I just used an apple cider vinegar. And I've been using this for ages, and the masala turns out just fine. Now the first thing I like to do is soak my tamarind. So just pop the tamarind into a little bowl, and from a kettle that's been recently boiled, I add in a little bit of hot water. This just helps everything soften and helps your masala grind better with lesser strain on your mixer or food processor. So you just leave this aside for a few minutes till it softens, and then you're ready to process the tamarind. Now when the tamarind has softened, all you're going to do is, using your fingers, just mash it like this. If you find any bits of shell or seed or fiber left behind, you're going to take that out and discard it. And now it's as simple as popping in all those ingredients into the jug of your food processor or mixer. I like breaking my cinnamon into slightly smaller pieces to help the process along. If you'd like, you can also tear up those chilies into 2 or 3 pieces depending on their size. Last but not least, in goes the tamarind pulp as well as the water that it's been soaking in. To get the masala going, I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of vinegar, and I'm going to grind everything into a nice smooth paste, adding more vinegar as required to get your desired consistency. My Rechaad Masala is all ground up now. Let's open the jar and have a look at what it looks like. I'm just going to take the masala out into a bowl so that you can have a look at what it looks like. Now while grinding, don't forget to stop your mixer about halfway, scrape down the sides so that everything gets ground into a nice fine paste. And there you go guys, that's my recipe for Rechaad Masala. Now you can use this with a variety of seafood. You can also use this masala with a few vegetables. We use it very often with okra or bhindi. And that guys is my recipe to make a delicious Rechaad Masala at home. This masala can be stored in a clean, dry glass container or a bottle in the refrigerator, and it will last you weeks if not months. I've had this masala on hand for even a couple of months and absolutely nothing happens because it's been ground with vinegar. It's a great little spice blend to have on hand. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with family and friends that you think might like it. And if this is your first time visiting, I'd love it if you could subscribe to the channel and click on that little bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time a new video gets uploaded. As always, I'll leave a link to the recipe in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching today. I'm going to see you really soon with another delicious recipe. So till then, take care. Bye.